Hello, my name is Gurjit-1 and I'm a student of database CSIS 2300. Today I'm going to give a presentation on chapter first, getting started. Before discussing about chapters, I would like to tell you some things about the subject database. Now, what is database? A database is a collection of information that is organized in such a way that it makes information easily accessible, manageable, and updatable. Traditional databases are organized by fields, records, and files. A field is a single piece of information, a record is one complete set of fields, and a file is a collection of records. For example, a telephone book is analogous to a file. It contains a list of records, each of which consists of three fields: name, address, and telephone number. Moving further, now I would like to tell you about database relationship with information system. The information systems are computer systems that support end users, making information accessible to them. For a large number of information systems, the data is held in databases and it is accessible through database management system. Information systems perform a variety of tasks. All of the information processes in information system, they emphasized on the process of organizing, storing, retrieving the database systems. Next, I would like to tell you about role of database administrator in RDBMS. A database administrator performs all activities and functions related to maintenance of a successful database environment. The responsibilities of database administrator includes designing, implementing, and maintaining the database system, establishing policies and procedures pertaining to the management, security, maintenance, and use of the database management system, and training employees in database management and its usage. Now let's have some look on chapter 1, that is getting started. Now first of all, let's see what are objectives of chapters. It is the understand the reasons for using a database, understand how using relating tables help you avoid the problems of using list, know the components of a database system, learn the elements of a database, learn the purpose of a database management system, understand the functions of a database application. In next slides we will overlook all these objectives. Now first the question arises, why to use database? Database is ranked among the most significant structural elements of the web world nowadays. On the basis of the majority of the applications, databases serve a special motive to provide a well-organized mechanism for data manipulation. The database approach in website application development now rules the web by offering a quick and automated way for the information to be stored, managed, deleted, or retrieved. Due to powerful set of capabilities, database has determined the evolution of dynamic websites, which has made a remarkable change in the world of web. Now, what is the purpose of database? There are several purposes of databases, some of which are listed below. In the early days, database applications were built on top of file systems. So there were some drawbacks, which were data redundancy and inconsistencies, which includes multiple file formats, duplication of information in different files. The next is difficulty in accessing data. In that problem there was a need to create a program to carry out each new task. The next was data installation, multiple files and formats. Then integrity problems, integrity constraints, example account balance, become part of program code, hard to add new constraint or change existing ones. Next, what are the components of database? There are four components of database, namely data, hardware, software, users. First of all, data. The data acts as a bridge between the machine parts, that is hardware, and software. The hardware consists of the secondary storage devices such as magnetic disk, optic disk, CD-ROM, magnetic tapes, etc., on which data is stored with the input output devices, processors, main memory, etc., which are used for storing and retrieving the data. Next is software. The software acts as a bridge between the user and a database, or software that interacts with the users, application programs, and database